Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and utilizing your time very nicely in studying, playing games, watching TV, etc. I received some videos from you. Some of you send me some videos. They are very nice, and I tell to some students that if you had not prepared any videos, please try to prepare a video and send to me. Now today we are going to revise the subtraction of bigger numbers. I think some of you are getting confused in subtraction. So again we are going to do the subtraction, and come on, I am giving you some examples. I am showing you with calculation also. So now let's start with examples. 54 minus 36. First example that we are starting, 54 minus 36. Now if we are going to start the subtraction, first of all, from where will we start? Shall we start with 5? No, that all of you know. So now we will start from the ones place. And what is the ones place? 4. So we have to start from 4. 4 minus 6, is it possible? No. So now we will borrow from 5. We will cut 5 and we will write here 4. And here we will write, what will we write here? 14. Now 14 minus 6 means what will be the answer? 8. And 4 minus 3, 1. So 18 is the answer. Now next example, 93 minus 25. Whenever we are doing subtraction, we have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So here 93, so 3 is smaller and 5 is bigger. So we can't subtract 3 minus 5. So what will we do? We will borrow from 9. We will write here 8, and here we will write, what will we write? 13. So 13 minus 5. What will be the answer? 8. 2 minus 8. Don't forget to do like this, that 8 minus 2 we have to do. Don't do 9 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So answer will be 68. Next example, 80 minus 25. So 0 minus 5, answer will be 0. No, that is wrong, because 0 minus 5 we can't do, as I am giving you example in the class, that if I don't have any pencil, can I give to anybody? So if we don't have anything, it means 0 minus 5 we can't do. So that's why we have to borrow from 8. Here we will write 7, and here we will write 10. 10 minus 5, 5, and 7 minus 2, 5. So 55 will be the answer. Next example, 37 minus 19. Now 7 minus 9, is it possible? No. So we have to borrow from 3. We will cut 3 and write here 2, and here we will write 17. So 17 minus 9, 8, and 2 minus 1, 1. So 18 is the answer. Next example of 3-digit number, 275 minus 46. So again we have to start from ones place. As I always tell you that we have to start from ones place, and this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. So always we have to start from ones place only. So 5 minus 6, that we can't do. So we will borrow from 7. Here we will write 6, and here we will write 15. Now 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So 229 is the answer. One more 3-digit example. 0 minus 4. Can we do this? 0 minus 4. Answer will be 0 only? No. We can't do 0 minus 4. That is why we are borrowing from 9. Here we will write 8. Here we will write 10. And 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So now the answer will be 36. So I had shown some examples of subtraction. I hope you got it, and I am giving some worksheet along with this video. So try to complete it at home and practice for the subtraction sums, so you can do it very well without any mistake. And stay at home and stay safe. Thanking you. Have a nice day, all of you.